Okay, I think things are set up. Hopefully. I could not connect these earbuds to my computer to save my soul. It was basically an unmitigated disaster. Is the long and short of it. Fickle Snowflake, congratulations on your first. I also put you on the VIP list. There is a picture of Leonard in there. It's actually this. That's in there. Hello, Legion. Indy, let's go. I hope you're doing well. It's good to see you. My plan for today is very not planned out, I guess. But I guess it's game dev time of some sort, so we'll see how that goes. It's I don't know. Let's see what I don't remember what I've got for things on my task list. So I did, oops, don't do that. Don't you, how do I lock you? How does one lock? Okay. Okay. I don't know how to use this program, turns out, oddly enough. Anyway, so I did the, unlock, you fuck. So I did the combined dice scene and battle scene. I did that part separately. This turning dice into a card part is probably the next thing I've got to actually work on. The stats and effects I've got to do, combat, like all this stuff, but we do have some stuff done. Also, by all means, if you guys have any projects that you're working on, either just in general or during this co-working session or anything really, tell me about them. Okay, could this music like choose a fucking volume to stay at? It's like it wants to be super quiet, but then sometimes it gets much louder, and I'm not happy about it. See, and now it's so much louder. What are you doing? I'm gonna maybe kill someone. I'm gonna just hope that that's probably fine. Does my actual job count? Yeah, probably. I mean, you're basically making like bombs and pathogens and things like that, so it's like pretty close. She's here, look! Look, my girl! Hey, Leonard. What a little cat. You are so small. Look. Hi. What a nice little girl. Why is the chat on this screen is messed up? Yeah, do you get to work from home, or are you just like at your actual like place of employment right now? Just like getting to do stuff or getting to mess around on your PC. 2 days a week? Let's go. We love that for you. What am I? Oh yeah. We're making a game, or trying to anyways. Don't look at my folder structure. Oh, I've got to figure out where the hell I was at. Look at my cat. She's so cute. Why VIP? I'm not that important. Fickle Snowflake, you literally message me every day a positive message. That's very important. You son of a gun. I've got cat hair in and around my nose. Oh, also, Indy, you've given me depression. Again, yo, no sound, heading home from an appointment, just saying hi real quick. Y'all cute. I love you, and... Oh dear, why? It's because in your Discord, you posted the thumbnail for your Steins Gate thing, and I'm not gonna be there to watch it, and I think that's like mad messed up. Okay, here's what you should do. You should record, because I assume you're gonna record the whole thing of you playing it. Well, maybe you're not. I don't know how you make videos, but record your whole playthrough, and then we can all watch that together on stream. It'll be like we're watching it for the first time, or you're like playing it for the first time. Think about it. Just saying. Just think about it. Just think about it. Anyway, so this is where we're at with the game. We've got these dice that come in now from off screen that roll, say their side, and then disappear. The disappearing part is good, because that would be where we, right here is where we create the card and then move that card to the hand. So basically what we want to do is, for dealing the card to the hand, we want to put the deck. So if we go back to our battle scene, right, in here we've got the player's deck, which is just like kind of over here being invisible because it doesn't have any cards in it right now. So the idea is that when the dice roll in, like one of them lands here, we move this over to where the dice is at, make the card there, get rid of the dice, and then move the card from there to the hand. So it looks like it's coming from the die. But obviously, if we ever get to that point, it'll have more finishing touches on it. It's the goal for this game. So the idea is that it's like a monster fighting deck builder, but instead of like making a deck of cards, your deck of cards is like these dice, and you would get different ones of these for fighting different like monsters essentially. So you like walk into the woods and there's a, I don't know, like a Sasquatch or something. So then you have this like inscription style card battle against a Sasquatch. I don't want shorts. So it would end up kind of looking like this would be the board. So this is what inscription looks like. It'd end up kind of like this, and then after you defeat whatever the monster is, then you either get them as a dice or some other rewards or whatever. So it's more about customizing the dice that you get based on the monsters that you fight, to kind of move through the game. Hopefully that explanation made sense. Hey Weasel, hello duct tape. I hope you are well. Sounds fun. Well, we'll see. We'll see if I can actually pull anything like that off. But ignore the Thick Goblin DLC and the Sex DLC. Some people wanted those as suggestions, so let's just scroll up so those aren't on there anymore. Yes, please. Yes, please to what? To beat up toilet bowl mythological creatures. That was one of them. What did I... Because we wrote down whatever the name of that one was. That was the Akamanto. Right? And this guy, as much as it's like a goofy like toilet monster, it also like looks kind of cool. So I'm kind of down with it. Do you want the red toilet paper or the blue toilet paper? You wouldn't like me when I'm angry because I always back up my rage with facts and well-documented sources. The Credible Hulk. I mean, isn't the Credible Hulk just Bruce Banner? Because isn't Bruce Banner like mad smart? So that's a different toilet ghost to what I was thinking of. With all due respect, Duct Tape, what toilet ghost were you possibly thinking of? You little weirdo. Ugh, my eyes are like kind of... I think I like maybe got something in my eye. Could be my cornea. Could be my, My wonderful eyelashes. Thank you. I figured it out. A toilet ghost is a toilet ghost. It's all about the toilet at the end of the day. There's one that strangles you with its hair. It's kind of crazy coming into a bald man's stream and saying that to him. But like, go off, I guess. Whatever you gotta do. Kinda messed up, but you know. I'm bald too. Okay, well. Cool, I guess. Sorry, that's crazy. Okay, so if we're gonna make the cards right now, what the? Oh, I got a text. So, what do you guys think? Should we? Maybe I should go into the. So these are how the cards are made. These are like their attributes. But I don't know if we need so many of these things anymore. Like we can take out the bonus attack, the bonus defense, and the bonus cost because those are now. Those are moved to more of an attribute like on the card. So if we go back to the battle scene, there's actually none here. I want Wendigo card. Okay, so yeah, they're moved into these like attributes out here. Because these ones, I want the ones in the JSON file, these to be like the base of what the card is, and then these are the ones we actually change. So I ran into this with my previous game where when I would go to edit a like for example like a knight card, the knight would I'd be like, so its ability was it gives other knights +1 defense. So I would go into here and edit the defense in here to be 4, but that edits the actual JSON, so then every knight that's made after that ends up with this 4 defense instead of the 3 that it's supposed to have. But if I move it to like these attributes that are out here separated from the actual JSON file itself, then I can edit these freely because they're specific to that one instance of the card. So get a toilet dice. You're a little freak. My wife is leaving me because I'm balding. It's fine. It's hair loss. Okay. This fucking guy. This fucking guy. Sorry, I didn't mean it. I meant it a little bit, but and this card type, I don't know. So if we were looking at card types, what would we want? Because we'd have like the main enemy guy that would be like the in the example of like the Rat King when we were looking at that card or that dice. I keep pulling up the wrong this. So in here we had this Rat King. In here, so like one side is gonna be the actual Rat King, which would be like some sort of card type, and then the other ones would be regular rats, which I'm guessing those would be like a minion type. So maybe I should write that down. So I don't really know what all that's gonna. I'd like to get these kind of sorted out and put on here, even if right now nothing is happening with them. So maybe what do I want this to be, like card type? Monster, I guess. Rat token generator boss? Yeah, basically, actually. Time to find a wife that likes to rub bald heads off. No comment. So is the toilet demon related to Skibidi Toilet? It's actually the exact same thing, yeah, actually. So let's go to, if we go to our battle scene script. So it's doing this deal cards to hand. Oh no, it's the create standard deck here. So I want to do this basically. So copy this. Let's go to back to our dice tray. So the problem now is that we have to define these, or this card manager within here, which is a little awkward because in here we just have the, since it's actually in here, the card manager is in here. So I need to get the node path, copy node path. And I don't remember exactly how to do this. So what is this? Go get node from node path. Variable node path literal. Not what I wanted. Not what I wanted. Get node. Okay. That's the one that we wanted. So hydrate. I got you. Did the music get like really loud for you guys? Because it says that it got really loud for me. A bit? Okay. Music is quite loud, but not bad. It's so, because I hear things differently now because I've got the earbuds in instead of my headphones, it's really hard for me to gauge like how loud things are. Feels like a boss battle? Well, joke's on you. That's because it's versus trainer from somebody that redid Pokemon. So if we go up here and we do like our card manager, then in here we do card manager equals get node, and then we put the node path in here. That is not helpful. So I need to get this a different way. I keep clicking on the wrong thing. So get node from another scene. Depends on whether the scenes are currently running together in the scene tree. They both exist in the scene tree. Get node. Okay. Right click on a node in the scene tree and select access as unique name. Then you can access it anywhere in that specific scene using, okay, great. I'm not in that scene, but I do appreciate it. Using groups, singletons. Boss battle music, naked mole rat. Oh no, we don't need to talk about the naked mole rats again. So I think it would be like this. So if we go back in here and we do get node, whoops, get node root, then we want battle scene, we want card manager. Deck is not currently. What did I have in here as the deck? Oh, it's here. Okay. So I wonder if it would be better to put this in like a helper function that's in a global. Oops. So what do I have in global info? Okay, these are just signals. Let's create a new scene. This one can just, oh no, not a new scene, a new script. And this one can be helper functions. Create that. Get rid of these. And I want to grab so do I put it in a helper function and then do a signal? Oh. Oh, maybe that's what I should be doing. So in the dice tray, so you know how we've got this in here? On dice roll finished, we have another. Is there more than one thing connected to this? I feel like there is. It's on button pressed. Where are my global signals? Roll finished. Can't tell what that's connected to. So it's in here at least. How do you connect the dang signals again? This one. Okay. So we want to go into the battle scene and connect the roll finished here. And add. Do I want a separate section for this? Does it really matter? I guess I'll put it down here. We can do this and then do like signal functions. Don't worry, my hotkeys are working against me. I did not consider that part when because I use control quite a bit to move around. In here, I did not consider that part. Yay, hotkeys. Yeah. Is there a way for me to just turn off hotkeys for right now? Hotkeys. It's really the left and right ones that are issues right now. Switch to scene. So if we do like control left, show me all of these ones. There's just the one. What if I made you actually, instead of control left, you were actually tilde left? Nope, it does not let me do that. What if you were... What if you were tab left? No. You know, fine. You can just be control left for now. Actually, you know what? You can just be nothing for right now. You are getting cleared for right now. So, okay, Pog. So I should maybe move this over here. I don't know if it really matters, but
Hello.
Forgot about the anime girls already. But don't worry about that. So on dice roll finished. What is oh, Daniel. it might be worth to do some organizing for your, okay, oh god, it's moving. Organizing for your code looks like it might get messy soon. Either wrap up different sections under deck, make an initialize function that calls all the startups, for example, make some files under deck and spit them to turn manager, animation manager, etc. Sorry, this is already happening, not familiar with the platform. Yeah, I should do that. You're correct. The problem is, like, my brain has a lot of issues with essentially like having things as split out as that, but then my brain also has issues with having everything in one file as well. So I'm trying to get it to just like a workable state, and then I can reorganize things, because I'll have to do some other work, like not exactly behind the scenes, but like I'd have to figure out how exactly I want to do it and then move things around at that point. But yes, my code, I've always been like a somewhat messy coder in the first place, but you are correct. I definitely do need to fix that. Anime girl, yes, indeed, anime girl. On the right side chat, scandalous. It's true. Snowflake, Indie P. Praise the sun, praise the mother, the son, and the Holy Spirit, especially the sun. No comment. Okay, so when this dice roll finishes, we're getting the value and the dice. So in the dice tray, we can get rid of this part. And we don't need this move back to origin, because that's what I already have that in the regular dice thing. So dice roll finish, hide, prints the value. I probably don't need it to print the value right now, but I'll put that there for right now. Actually, do I need it in here at all? If I'm moving everything to the other one, maybe I just like don't need it here. Let's get rid of this. Then we can go back to here. So then here's where we can hide the dice. I don't know why I was gonna comment it. Create a card. Oops. Then I want to, after creating the card, then I want to deal 2 hand, and then I want to hide the die. Okay, and hiding the die is fine. We can just do dice.hide. Weasel, it is a usual practice in Unity to split them into files like animation manager, animation attributes, while placing them under a folder under the deck object. I do not know what platform you're on. I'm on Godot. Issue becomes when you take even a few days break, it'll require so much work navigating and fixing the new turn function. Yeah, so right now I'm not used to educational streams. Well, I don't know if this is educational. I don't know if I'd say that. I wouldn't say I know what I'm doing. But yeah, so right now, I'm being educated. Okay. So right now I'm in Godot, so it's not like the scenes are like up here, and I've got the scripts down here, so each of these like matches to one of these, right? And so let me reread your message. Like the deck object. Okay. So yeah. So like yeah, kinda, but not quite. But like kinda, but like not, but like a little bit. I basically just like don't have these in folders right now, but like this dice tray, and this raycast could all go in one thing. And I've got more things in here than I need. Well, not than I need, but more than I would normally have because I'm using a card framework, and it required me to make some extra extra things, basically. So this is essentially a Wonder Engine. I swear to God, if I say, what is Wonder Engine, and you say, not much, what's Wonder Engine with you, I'm gonna kill you. But I'm gonna take the risk. What is Wonder Engine? Or are you making like a One Direction thing? Because it sounds... I think I'm just mad. I don't even know what you're saying yet, but I think I'm mad already. So I need to do this part. So this creates the card, but instead of, it'll be, translate this into a string. No, I don't need to actually. I think they're all strings. So this would be just value. Put it in the deck. And then we can deal it to the hand. So we can get rid of the create standard deck, deal cards to hand. Yeah, I guess I can just like use this. Deal cards to hand 1. That's assuming it's only making 1 card. So instead, maybe I want to do like deck dot get. What is the? It's like deck dot card count. Held cards. Add card. Get card count. So just deal all of them that are in the deck to the hand. I think that should work. Oh, Wonder Woman. Oh, that makes so much more sense. I'm sorry. Not much. What's Wonder Engine with you, Indy? You're lucky you're cute. That was meant to be more of like a joke, and now it just sounds like I'm a predator. So, Indy is just trying to start World War III. What do you mean trying? It's underway. Shouldn't use 1, make it a static variable or whatever this language needs, a static constant default add card amount 1 in case you want to change it. Well, so I did, I guess, already change it. So the way that I, don't blush at me, you little freak. So the way that I tend to, the predator of kindness, the way I do coding is instead of like, this is gonna, the way I'm gonna explain this sounds like it's just like a bad way to do it. Instead of doing it right or like perfect the first time, I tend to put something in there and then run it to test it to make sure I know how it works. And then after that, I change it to like what the value really should be. But it's just something simple so that I get the idea in there without having to overload my brain thinking of all the little like optimizations I could do. He's usually very mean to me. This stream is weird. Why are you mean to Indy? I spit on streamer. I've literally never been mean to Indy in my life. That's actually crazy. Hey, anyways, so check this out. If you guys aren't following Indie Pixel, she streams like once every 6 months, but she might stream next week. And normally she does like visual novel / story based games. And it's a very fun time, actually. She's a very funny person. And it would be great if you, if I saw you there. She's very cool. And also you should check out her YouTube channel, which is genuinely like very good. It's like a real edited YouTube content stuff. And now she's educated. I think she's just smarter than most of us. Well, maybe not most of us. She's smarter than me, I'm pretty sure. Oh, you're so nice today? What do you mean nice today? Ah! Can't control his emotions properly and anger comes out of kindness. The cuteness can confuzzles his mind. Most things do, to be fair. Okay, so for this to work, we either need to, for data, we either need like a blank card or to change the sides on the dice. But they're all like set to blank. So where do I have my dice set at? Dice definitions. I should just make an X card. So duplicate this, but it's just going to be X. Just be that. I should probably make these blank instead of X. I hate it. I hate it here. I gotta rename this shit too. I think it is quite lovely that Weasel is being so kind to you this stream, Indy. You deserve it, even if it's just temporary delight. I'll tell you what's temporary delight. Every time Indie Pixels streams. You want nice? I can be nice. That's 30, sorry. She is, dare I say, rapidly approaching the ripe old age of elderly, however. And I want to apologize for that. What type of card are you? You don't have a card type. Or an effect. So I want to change the X's on the dice definitions to be blanks. However, in here we need a blank.png. So if I go into paint.net, the problem with coding and naming, yeah, actually, I'm sorry for flashbanging you. I didn't mean to. I'm gonna actually momentarily turn off my display capture. When I hit open on this, I feel like it's not gonna open anything crazy, but you know, you never know. Actually, check this out. I take it back. Look at all my little weasel guys. Aren't they great? So do I have a PNG of you? I only have PDNs. I need to image, resize. You're 142 by 90. I need you to be, what size are the cards? Anybody remember what size the cards are? Oh my god, best viewers, get the fuck out of here. Why are you doxing my age? Yeah, I think 31 is ancient then. How dare you? Are you going tarot card size or standard? I think standard. I'm just going off of whatever I had put in here. Where's my card manager? Card manager, what size are you? What? No, not that one. What hand? Card, no. This isn't the one. What size are you? Card size? Okay, well. Playing card. Close. I think you're gone. I don't think you're supposed to be here. Card factory. 150 by 210. I figured it out. We got there eventually. It was like actually a fucking disaster to try and figure that out, but there we go. 150 by 210. Okay. Wow, that was horrible. So 150 by 210, but I need to make this nearest neighbor. And then I'll just make the background can just be like black or something. Save as. Where do I have my game saved at, do you think? My documents? It is. Actually, we don't want assets, we want cards, images. You need to be a blank .png. Save. Flatten. Okay. What the fuck are you guys saying? You're like saying so many things for me not like doing anything. What are these emotes? Oh, the lewd emotes. Oh, she did add more colors to them. Let's go, May. Oh, you guys are just helping me with the size. I see. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Fickle Snowflake. Thank you, Duct Tape. Daniel, thanks. Indy, I appreciate that. Thank you. Daniel, thank you a second time. I think it's 210 by 150. Ah, close, Duct Tape, but not quite. It's actually 150 by 210. How could it be 210 by 150 if it's 150 by 210? Yeah, okay, fair enough. I could have just kept reading. Daniel had it under control. Okay, gotcha. Anyways, there you go. Let's run it and see what happens. I feel like I forgot an essential part, but yo, look. Okay, it's not moving it to the spot, but okay, create card, deal the hand. We need a section to move deck to dice location. Counterpoint your mother. How dare you? Rebuttal your father. Oh my god. Counterpoint you're cute today, Duct Tape Face. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Gorsh, guys. Okay, so now I need to remember how to get 2D position from 3D subview port. Unproject position. As part of the camera node. But I don't have the camera. I could do this. Viewport, get 3D camera. Okay. So I need to. Yeah. Okay, can you? It's not like I care about your work or anything. Oh, thanks. Random anime woman. So it's in the dice tray that the camera is in. Yeah. Thank you for the hydrate. But I don't want to. I don't know if I want to use. It's going to make me do that. So I need to do. go back here. Camera equals get viewport. But it would be the viewport specifically for question. Why do you have cameras in your dices? Is that a kinky game? It's not. The camera isn't in the dice. It's in the tray, the dice tray, where because I'm so the I don't know if you're asking this seriously or not, but I'm gonna pretend like you are. So the battle scene where the cards go and stuff like that is currently a 2D scene, and so I'm putting a sub viewport over it that is the 3D scene that has the dice in it, since they're 3D objects and not 2D objects. So but to like to make the actual dice themselves visible within the tray, I need a camera. I did not ask it seriously. I coded very small games. Well, how dare you, son of a bitch. I'm trying to educate Indy right now, and you're really ruining my life. I'm trying to act all cool and knowledgeable in front of Indy to try and impress her. And you're really harshing my vibe right now. Camera dot on project position of the dice dot global position. Okay, and then I want the deck dot position. Actually, I want to do deck dot set position to oops. Okay, does this work? I feel like it's not going to. Nope. Yeah, because I'm getting the camera from the current viewport. So I need to get it from the I think this one. View viewport? Your sub viewport? Dice roll view? We'll try on this first and then see. Educate me, yes. Okay, chill. Indy, did I impress you more than Weasel? Probably. Okay, kind of back. Still need to take these fuck-ass jeans off. Oh my. Welcome, Ent. Weasel's crashing out today. What do you mean I'm crashing out today? He's extra bald today? What do you mean? I'm the same amount of bald as normal. He's trying to impress and educate Indy, but she's too smart to handle it. Yeah, that's pretty true, actually. She made a character in a game once, who she said, and I quote, "This is the most accurate I can make this person to myself." And she got to choose a few attributes, and she chose, hot and book smart, for like the first two options. So just saying, so based. All right, you got me there. Fuck, they're gonna make me yeah, because this is a null. I have to get this view. Actually, can I just do it on this scene? Actually, that might be the part that actually works. I think I'm thinking about this too hard. Yeah, that's the part that works. Okay, yeah. Well, I did more work than I needed to, but not that much more work. Spirit just, oh god, I've got this on the wrong page. I should be able to read over here. I wish I was hot book smart. Yeah, me too, dude. Spirit just teach Indy about supermassive black holes and how they co-evolve with galaxies. Easy peasy. What type of hot we talking? Tea kettle boiling hot or rays from the sun glistening onto your skin on a midsummer day hot? We're talking like light of my life hot. Same though. Well, to be fair, because she was hot, she was able to like stop a horse vampire monster thing from killing his mother, who had been poisoning him from puberty because it stopped him from turning into a crazy monster that could have torn people apart at the mildest inconvenience. Sparkly vampire in the sunshine hot? Okay, I'll allow it. I might need to change the... It's like, yeah, card settings somewhere, yeah. Maybe it's just in the card scene. Moving speed, not 2,000. Let's make you like 1,000. Is that better? Do you feel like you move a little better? You don't look like you've changed at all, actually. That's because I'm not using that card scene. It's because I need to go to my own card scene that I am using, which is this one. Moving speed, you can be 1,000. Okay, I feel like that didn't actually do anything, and maybe it didn't, but I feel like on 500. Yeah, pretty sure that's getting overridden somewhere, but you know, whatever. So if so incineration hot. I'm not gonna say it, but she did show me her cat once. And okay, guys, I need your opinions. If a girl on the internet explains to you how to break into her home, is that like an invitation? Like, am I in? Is that an in, or am I reading into it too much? Actually, I should just be able to go to hard dot move speed was 1,000. Feel like this is not the right way to do this. Okay, card. What do you actually have? Hard dot moving speed. Not move speed, moving speed. There we go. That worked better, but it's a little slow, but did you know, according to Newton's law of universal gravitation, every two objects with mass attract each other? Therefore, it's scientifically proven that you are attracted to me. Did it need to be scientifically proven? I'm pretty sure I've just said it before. No, you still need to get consent. Okay, Inti? Indy, do I have consent to break into your house? Depends if the girl is hot, I reckon. Oh, okay. Brother, I could have a woman tell me that she's into me and I'd read into it too much. Oh, okay, that's fair. No. Okay, damn. Well, guess that kind of puts the kibosh on my Friday night plans, but it's fine. I've got so many friends. I can find new plans. It's fine. It's not even like a big thing. It's whatever, really. Yeah, you're probably going to need to remember that for when we end up having to go to court, because you're getting a restraining order at some point. Okay, so that worked out, but I kind of want the dice thing to be a little bit bigger, smaller. See, you're already bigger than the screen, though. If I make you... Oh, you can't get any smaller than that. Okay. Does that actually do anything? No? Don't stop quoting things. Stop bringing up the quotes. Are you the Big Bang because you look like the start of my entire universe? You guys are fucking crazy. What if I move it like up here? Does that work better? Do they not go all the way down to my hand? They don't. I don't need to worry about this right now. This is not something that needs to be worried about right now. Forgot the combo. I don't know which combo you were talking about, so I guess I'm gonna say it. I'm not that upset. Granted, I maybe wasn't that upset in the first place because it's probably for the best. But, you know. Nope. What's like a... Green is like a good color for done, right? Yay. I don't know about all that. Do I want to make some art assets, or should I just... And how are your projects going? Is there any new updates on any of your projects? I forgot. If you just go to... Because you can... I'll find it next time. Good night. Hey, have a good one, Janyan Daniel. What am I saying? Have a good one, Daniel. Sleep well, my prince. Vote list? No, it's in Stream Elements somewhere. I don't know if people that aren't mods can see it, but I'd have to go back and look. So we need a new that's 128 by 1. Nope, that's not what 128 by 128. Okay, stop doing that. Stop maintaining. Okay. So this is what we've got for size for our die faces. I don't remember how I did this before. I mean, I started writing Python scripts to mess around with cosmic web / void visualization stuffs. That's about it though. I mean, that seems pretty decent, I think. It's hard to tell how good or bad that sounds. I think it sounds good, but did you guys end up playing last night? Playing D&D last night? Because I thought that I had seen somewhere that May was thinking that she would see if you guys could reschedule. I'm sorry, I was reading somebody's update on their Discord. Our young Swifto did put out an update, which was nice. What am I doing? This needs to be not black. Wait, I should just be able to do this with like the line tool. No, don't you. Don't anti-alias me, you fuck. What the hell is happening? Just move over. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna. I'm like actually doing this the dumbest way possible. Why don't I just fucking make a square around the outside that's thickness 6 like I was fucking talking about? But also not black. Wow, who could have figured out that would have been so much easier? Did not know. Definitely wanted May to rest up so she could be present for it. Yeah, that's understandable. Either way, still kind of not ideal. Okay, honestly, Paint.net, if you ever anti-alias any of my shit again, I'm gonna lose my goddamn mind. Duplicate, layer, flip horizontal. There we go. Move this up. The fuck is this? Get the hell out of here. Okay. And save this as I probably want this not in cards, but I'm like, am I putting it in assets? No, I'll just put it here. Through a hole. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so there's our blank die face. Now we draw a blood curdle finger pointed at you. That might be a little bit harder for me to do overall, I think. Maybe that's just me being like a little baby about it, but you know. They're not a folder already. Oh, okay, it is in here. I just like didn't see it because I'm blind. Okay, so when I go to make a dice, just roll, yep, 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 sides. Okay. Grow up in a positive way, you son of a bitch. How dare you? But also fair and understandable. I might need a new function for this, because I need it to also search in here for the side. How does it do that with the cards? I go into here. Create card. Nope, not what I. Go to Card Factory. Great card. This isn't what I wanted. Is it in here? Do I just want the create card thing, man. That's so, is that so much to ask? Apparently it is. This is in card manager. Yeah, where's my I want to go here. Where's the... Do I not have a script for this? No. Let's go to this one. Create card. Preload card has name. Card info. Create card node. So does this preloaded cards? Okay, not helpful at all. Set faces. Okay. But where's it getting this front and back from? It's getting just sent in here. Okay. It's getting sent into that one. Yeah, I want to see this symbol though. I want to see how it's doing this. Virtual method for preloading cards into the factory's cache. Concrete implementation should override this to load card definitions from their respective data sources. Yeah. Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. So it like dictionary cache for storing. So I want to go into, I've clicked on the wrong one again. You go into this. Go find file in, find file by name. File dialog. I just need the omitted when the user selects a file by double clicking is not what I'm looking for. Let me get a file name or resource. What is this? Resource path. Not really what I'm looking for. I might be dumb.
Where's that smell coming from? Where's that smell coming from?
Open.
So stinkily distinct.
Yeah.
So delightfully dead. A decomposing rodent somewhere near the baby's bed. Where's that smell coming?
This is obnoxious. It should not be this hard to find like the one.
Your cup of tea. Perhaps it's kind of mean, but you can have the birdie if you'll give me the spleen.
So for extracting just the file name from a full path string. Resource loader recommended for accessing project resources in exported builds, as file names may be remapped. What?
Where's that smell coming from? I know it's not for everyone, but tell me where's the charm? Starting on a leg before you finish.
Oh, but I guess I could just do it from the like a path, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hatsune Miku, now is not the time. I'm trying to think, and it's already hard enough without you breathing down my fucking neck. I can get rid of this. Close? Close? Did I close my dice tray script? Okay. So Raycast, I hate Hatsune Miku confirmed. I did not say that. Let it be known. I did not say that. I did not say that. So Raycast 1. So based on How do I change these?
It's full of chum, beaks and gills and flesh and grist. That's a living nicotine I can't resist. Livers and gizzards and
Place
innards and
dot.
spleens make me healthy, wealthy, and serene.
How the hell did I do this before? This is obnoxious. I hate this. I'm losing my mind.
Where's that smell coming from? Ooh, that's nice.
That's nice.
Where's that smell coming from now?
But I need this add dice to be after it if I was going to put it in the ready function. Loop through the definition to assign the sides, so the sides are assigned. I need to change the texture of each of them. So let's add a node 3D, and you are going to be sides. And you all get to go inside of here. I just want to make sure everything works. Okay, everything still works fine. Except I got like a whole bunch of cards. I feel like I got more cards than I should have gotten. Yo, what's going on, Swifto? See that? Why'd you give me 2? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why do I have 8? There's only 7 dice that should be there. I'm confusion. I read your thing, by the way, Swift. I hope everything goes well for you. I didn't read it too in depth because I was streaming, but I hope things start to look up. So you're mid-roll finished, right? Yo, is that the Swiftodactyl? It is, which is pretty, dare I say, pretty fucking pog. So after, so no, I need to go back here. And after it's emitted the signal, emit the signal, rolling false, landed on side false, or landed on side true. It's sleeping. I want it to just like disable itself. Is that the same in like a 3D object like this? Is visibility the same as disabling it? No. So I need to, if it's part of a node though. Ability. Where's my that's process mode. So after it's roll finished here, so I need to do, me back over to here. Yeah, we chilling, no worries. It is. Yo, hi. Yo, what's going on, Silent Fox? What's going on? You living large, as the kids say? Pretty sure the kids say that anyways. Is that, that is... Anybody, like, have any... Anybody know if that's true or not? Or is that, like, not really, like, a thing kids say? So when this is emitted, I want to do ray casts dot process, no, dot oh, this is the array. Oh, I don't need to do that. I can just I can do just do. Oh, no, that's not the right one. Ray cast. Process mode. Rules. Disabled. Okay, so when this goes off, the ray casts are disabled. And then when you do roll, and nope, inherit, I think. Hey, I'm sick. How about you? I'm doing okay. What are you sick with? Hopefully it's not too bad. Nerp. Not one of the kids, so I can ask Ent. Oh yeah, Ent is like a little lad, isn't he? Yo, 10 stream streak. Let's go. Thank you, Swift. That's cool. Thank you. Sorry, I was distracted by a video. Question mark, question mark, question mark. I don't know. I asked you something about what the kids say, and Swift said to ask you because she's not one of the kids. I don't remember what it was. Okay.
Driving down this lonesome road.
It does seem like it's working. I don't know. The deck.
Sand and asphalt are my friend.
Okay, buddy. All right there, bucko. You want to eat some ass or what? It's kind of weird. I don't know. Error calling, roll finish to callable, rigid body 3D, expected 2 arguments, but expected 0 arguments, but got called with 2. Oh, I see. Okay, yeah. So I need the comes to an end, and the ride is on that. I need these in here. Rest my weary eyes. You guys are, you're touching the ground. What are you doing? What the fuck is happening?
Seeking high and seeking low. My nose tells me where to go. A belly full will make me feel that I'm a cool cat at the wheel. The taste of blood is in my mouth, and the road is in my bones. Rolling east, west, north, and south.
Got a cold. A card game with dice. Whoa. Yeah, that's what we're going for, but it's with all due respect, it's being a little fucko about it. It's like, why do these... What are you doing? Like, hello? Reset state. Oh, fuck, sorry. I accidentally may have whacked my microphone. Why'd you slap me? I'll watch your tone lest I do it again. You motherfuckers, what are you doing? Let's just turn these off for right now. See if my shit goes back to normal. Kind of, except I've got 100 cards. Okay, maybe I need to go into the raycast thing. No, I don't. My dad was more intimidating than that. I'm not an intimidating person. I don't know how to break this to you, but I'm not like a scary person. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. So I want this to do not is rolling. Landed on side. That's the one I want. But I put it here. So only do the if I stop land it. I need to export it if I'm gonna do that. Why are you using so many fucking cards? I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. Anybody know where to get a seal breaker for a seal in Celia Hideaway? Is that the one that you need to do Sellen's quest for? I think, maybe. I don't remember. Think so. Seal breaker for the seal in Celia Hideaway. I actually don't. I just kind of assumed that you got it from Sellen. But maybe I'm on drugs. So, am I like... Talk to her and nothing happened. Yeah, I don't remember. You might have to look that one up.
Hi.
Thanks for the good work, random anime girl. So once this is emitted, I want to done rolling equals false. So I want to do done rolling. Down here. Equals true. And then if the raycast is colliding and not done rolling, so then we want to I feel like I'm making this more complicated than it needs to be, but whatever. Goes false. Let's see if that works. That's Bulky. Bulky the Rock. Oh, it's because this this signal is going off for each of these. So like if dice 1 finishes rolling, then it will trigger this, so the rest of them won't get it. So if it's colliding and landed on side and not landed on side, so I need to get rid of this. I need to get rid of this. I need to get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this. So if it's colliding and it hasn't landed on the side, then do this. Otherwise, don't. Okay, that worked. Let's do it again. Okay, it seems to be working now. 666 is nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I need to, when it's making dice, so I need to do like basically like this. Bar, but it's gonna be sides instead of you. It's gonna be like this. Sides get children, so that's all the sides. Does Raycast 1? Okay, hold on. Let's put this. Oops. This blank is on side 1. So let's go in here. What Raycast is on this one? Brother, where is the end of your thing? So you're the one that's going straight down. So you're the opposite side of this one. So this will indicate that this one is here. So it does map to that one. I'm gonna hope that it does that for the rest of them too. So go back to the script. So on ready, we want to initiate the sides, right? Well, not quite yet, because I think we need to do this in the dice tray. Maybe? No, this is the dice tray. Okay, so dice dot sides. It's I. Oops. dot side one dot, what is this, texture? Texture equals so I need to search in here, so copy the then plus, no, I already have sides. Oh no, I need definition I feel like this should not have been this difficult to figure out, but alas, here we are. Okay, doesn't work. Texture value of type string on base of type object sprite 3D. So this is assigning a string. So we need to do a get file based on a path. File system path. Oh, it's a load. I should have known that one. So does that work? No. Null instance. Okay, what's definition oh, I need to add a .png. Value of type compressed texture 2D. What? Can I just like oops, sprite 3D. Fuck off, man. Can I just like cast this as a sprite 3D? No. So how did I assign this? That's the resource path. I might be dumb. Good-o. Change texture of sprite 3D. Access the node and assign a new texture 2D resource to its texture. A common method is this. Okay, so I've got to do, this is the whole side, so I need to do side dot sprite 3D dot texture. I'm gonna lose my mind. This should not be this difficult, and I think I'm making it difficult. Sprite 2D. Bruh. Yep. Okay. This is assuming the script is attached to the Sprite 3D. External file path. Okay. Yeah. Image.load from file. Create image from file. Always use load. I feel like I'm just so sides let's put a breakpoint here. Okay, so let's go into dice. One of my earbuds has just died. Sides I, so I right now is 0. Must go do my chores now. I hope your dice do the thing you want them to. Hey, thanks for hanging out, Indy. I very much appreciate it. Good luck on your chores. Oh my goodness, what is happening? Don't tell me it's something dumb like that. It was something dumb like that. I'm gonna lose my mind, actually. It's because I capitalized it instead. I'm gonna lose it. Okay. I need to switch to my actual headphones now. Hey, fuck you, bud. We got there. We got there. Okay, so in theory, so if I go to my dice definitions, blank 2. no. Blank 2. So that probably means I need to go in here to... So I need, let's just duplicate these for testing purposes, even though it's very messy and I like kind of hate it. So I want to make sure that they're actually outputting the correct thing. So it's in the battle scene that they, yeah. So we want to do print value. So there was one blank 2. Okay. That time it said there was 2, so it's not quite correct. Okay, so I need to adjust my raycast would maybe be the easiest thing to, well, I say easiest, I don't know if it's actually the easiest. So side 2 is that one. So that's where I want raycast 2 to point. Raycast 2 does point to that one, okay. Raycast 3 points over there. Which one is side 3? It's that one. So I need this raycast to be rotated this way. So 90 degrees on you. Okay. Raycast 4 is this one, and side 4 is that one. So raycast 4 needs to go over here. You are now negative 90. Raycast 5 is not in the right spot. Raycast 5 or side 5 is that one. So raycast 5 needs to go this way. So raycast 6 then needs to go this way. And then I think it should be, I think they all should be pointing the right way now, so I would think that the dice would be, would work now. Where's the other? Put this back up here. Okay. So let's see. Okay, I didn't actually like really look. Maybe the maybe blank 2 should be like a different card. We'll change it to night test. Blank 2. Okay, chill. I don't know what I've done that has caused, well, a million errors, but That doesn't seem good.
Once upon a time there was a boy.
Okay.
Born with a silver spoon for a toy. He grew up nasty and he grew up mean. He steal a baby's feet just to
I don't really know what
learn to swindle.
the issue was there.
He take the eyes from granny.
It's happening again.
A kid
Ah!
from your dad. He had no conscience, could never feel bad.
Why is that causing so many issues? I don't understand. What do you call a crying, sniffling dog? I don't know. What do you call it?
He's the king. We're all expected to kiss the ring
Actually, let's duplicate this one.
on his throne. Laughing about how he made his home. Stepped on you and he stepped on me. Doesn't care if you don't agree. He was born to wear the crown. He's a self-appointed monarchy. He gets away with murder.
Okay, I don't know what the issue was, but oh, is it because I didn't change this? It's still using the same front image. So now it should use the correct one.
Swap diddly bop. Swap diddly bop.
See this? It is 8 again. What? How? What is happening with my cards? Why am I getting 8?
Thought he had it made in the shade. Taking the best parts of us with the rusty blade.
Huh? A chihuahua? A chihuahua. A chihuahua.
Smart. Nothing worked as it should. The heart pumped back
I'm gonna lose it.
and that's no good.
I'm gonna lose it.
Which served him right. Thieving around in the dark of night.
Oh. Hello, Lloyd. Time to commit crimes? Holy moly. Did you commit more crimes in Pokemon XD today? I sure hope so, because that's what I'm all about. Committing crimes and, well, actually just mostly that, just mostly committing crimes. How's it going? If anybody is here not following Lloyd, definitely give him a follow. He's a good lad. He's a nice young man. I actually don't know how old he is, but don't worry about it. It's fine. Wait, this should be... Am I confusion?
How many cages?
Oh, is it because it was double making some of the cards? I bet that's what was happening because the names were different. Hopefully that's what was happening. Anyways, we did. Yo, how many Pokemon did you steal? You out there stealing like tons of them? Just so many. Where are my dice definitions? So it should just go back to just all of them having the same side now, yeah? Yeah. You motherfucker, why are you giving me more cards than the amount of dice? What, like, huh? whatever. I'll have to debug that some other time, but now is not that time, because I'm gonna lose my mind if I have to deal with that more. But it seemed like that was working okay, so we can go back into our here. Some art assets are done. So I shouldn't mark it as done. We did, yay, progress, hell yeah. We committed many crimes, 6 counts of Grand Theft Pokemon, 2 counts of Pokemon assisted assault, trespassing, collusion with terrorists against other terrorists, the works. Holy moly. Well, I mean, I guess the terrorists probably had it coming, right? It's just how it works sometimes. Unfortunately for you, I was thinking I might end roughly about now, because I think I need to I was getting some stuff done on this, but also I'm like a little annoyed with it. I think I need to do some house chores. I'm a little bit more tired than I feel like I should be, but alas, you can't win them all, or whatever the kids say. Let's see. It seems like a reasonable time to raid Nero. Yeah, I have that effect on people. No. No, it's not that. 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 I swear. Probably. Mostly. I think I'm just, you know, sometimes it just be that way. Society moment. I do very much appreciate the raid though. Nero's one of the other streamers I considered raiding. Yeah, that makes sense. That tracks. He's a good guy. Anyways, thanks for hanging out on the co-working stuff. I still have to figure out, I think, a better way of doing this. Because normally when I'm working on stuff, I'm just like silent. So I don't know. We'll have to see. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna try and work on some stream updates and stuff too, and try and update some of the stuff on the stream, because it's been a long time since I've done that. I just messing with you. Hope you had a good productive stream. It was of moderate productivity, but thanks again for the raid. Thanks everybody for hanging out, and I'll see you guys probably not tomorrow, but maybe the next day, but maybe tomorrow, but who knows. But anyways, bye.
Was it so